morning and welcome back to North Dakota Today. We are here with John David Berdahl for another episode of This Is How You Make It. Good morning, John.
Good morning, everyone. Yes, I do have some sad news, though. Today is going to be my last segment.
What?
April Fools!
Oh, I was like, I think you're about to tell us.
Yeah, I got you.
He wanted to get us in on the joke.
I had to.
That was
It's
pretty
the day
good.
for it. It's the day for it. Now this is my last because I just did that.
Yeah,
No, it's
seriously,
okay.
watch your back.
Yeah. Whoops. Anyway,
Okay, we are very excited about this project. What are we doing today?
Yeah, so we're supposed to make paper bag puppets. That's what
Yep.
was selected last time in this Get Crafty activity jar that I've got right here that I picked up at a thrift store here in town. You probably order it online. So many neat things you can find at thrift stores. Don't you guys agree? Just like stuff like that. So I've got these for later, select one of those. And so I already made a paper bag puppet
Which
right
this
here.
thing is so cute. I love
Oh
Yes.
my
You know,
gosh.
spitting image, right? It looks exactly like me, or I look
honestly
exactly
really
like
does.
it.
Yes.
He just
Really
needs a
does.
little microphone right there, and
yes.
then it'll be complete.
Yes, I got some pipe cleaners. Thank
Perfect.
goodness, right? So I got some black pipe cleaners, so maybe I'll make that a microphone. Yeah, we got some googly eyes. We have some adhesive foam here that I got at Walmart, and this can be for garments
Sweet.
or some sort of details. And so I got these gift bags at Target.
Nice.
These sort of, so these are paper bags, like traditional paper bags,
Yeah.
which were invented in 1852 by a school teacher.
Whoa.
Okay,
Nice.
and puppets date back, like 3,000 years. They've been around for a long time.
Right.
Long time. So yeah, I got these at Target, and so I'll let you guys kind of choose which one.
Cool.
Here's these. Here's one of the paper bags, because these paper bags actually have letters in them, and these have pre-cut shapes.
Okay.
Yeah, that adhere to something. So that's what I did with this one. I put some letters just so people know that, this is John or supposed to be John.
Yeah.
And then I put some pre-cut shapes too. To make it look like sort of the hoodie that I wear. And I had to make certain to wear the hoodie today,
Yes.
so I look like it or something like that. So there's a resemblance.
Okay,
Nice.
so very soon this will be little Tatum and little Sophia.
Sophia.
Yep, and so I set
Yes.
aside sort of, pieces here of adhesive foam. So these can be the
Perfect.
faces. Yep, I set out scissors for you, which hopefully will help out. Yeah, I set out some felt too for the hair, yellow for yours, and of course brown for
Very
Sophia's.
fitting.
Yes, I know. And then what I did too for the facial features, and so I actually drew on the back of the adhesive foam, the facial features that I was
Oh.
going to cut out. See? And then I just cut them out.
See.
Yep, so I didn't have to draw on the front side of the foam.
Nice.
This is purple, but I thought about giving the puppet, I made a purple nose and like purple cheeks. But I thought, nah, I'll just go with this sort of, I guess, pink, And so, yeah, and so I drew it on the back. It's kind of light, but anyway, so you don't have to draw right on the front of the foam and get any pen marks or pencil marks
Yeah. That's
a
or
good
anything
tip.
like that.
I can't imagine
Yeah.
that would erase too well
Definitely.
on foam.
And then I cut out pieces out of this pink piece of foam here, and so I had drawn them again. Yeah, and then you'll find with the scissors, I had found like about cutting halfway seems to work really well with the
Oh.
scissor. About halfway down the scissor
Yeah.
instead of like at the bottom. So with some of these scissors. And there we go. And so there's that. And yeah, so I got these bags again at Target, and I thought these were pretty tough, pretty sturdy sorts of bags to
I
work
agree.
with instead of like the traditional paper bag. Nothing against it. I mean, haven't we all grown up with this sort of thing?
Oh, yes.
Still growing up with these sorts of things. It's like, yeah, so you can get these at Dollar Tree, pretty much anywhere that bags are sold. You can get these. But I had just thought that this was really, I don't know, for what we were going to be working on, kind of light.
It's perfect.
Yes, and so let me get some of these foam pieces for you.
Yes,
Yeah, and each
thank
one of
you.
these pieces of foam is a different color,
Okay.
and they have adhesive backs. So you just peel off the back, and stick it to it. And I thought,
Yeah,
on
they stick
television.
everywhere,
Yeah, look
actually.
at that. It stuck to your finger. Oh my goodness. And so, yeah, lots of different colors, and I'll just set these here for you.
Tatum, you want
Okay.
some eyes?
I would love some eyes. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yep. And so I've got some, adhesive letters. There we go. There ought to be in here anyway.
Are
And
these
so-
eyes adhesive too?
There we go. No, they're not. And
Oh,
so that's
okay.
why I got these pieces of foam right here.
Oh,
Yep, double-sided
yes.
foam. Yep,
That
so
would
you can
be
work with
helpful.
that. There we go. Yep. And so, yeah, you can pick out the letters for your names if you do believe you're supposed to, or other titles that fit, Queen, right, maybe, or...
You know us too
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
That sounds good to me.
Yep, and so, yeah, many different colors. There we go. And so, yeah,
Okay.
early puppets were, a representation or representative of sort of deities or gods, or rulers in certain countries or nations like Egypt and Greece and China. Now it's mostly entertainment, hopefully entertainment, right?
Do you have a favorite puppet?
Oh my goodness. I think it would have been King Friday from Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood.
Oh,
Cute.
yes.
Yes? Yeah?
I
do believe.
am a huge fan of the Muppets.
Okay.
My favorite growing up was Animal or Miss Piggy.
Okay.
Can't go wrong with Miss Piggy. Who doesn't love her?
And they're so sort of similar. Like they just have these outbursts, don't they? That says a
yes.
lot about you, I guess. At some moment you'll just be like, hiya!
Okay, so
Cute.
I have cut my face now to size,
Okay,
and
yeah.
I have some eyes. So what would you say the next step is?
The next step would probably be either, you know, the rest of the facial features, you know, I'll leave that up to you, or the clothing, you know, that you're going to have
okay.
on there. You know.
And you use the felt pieces.
Yeah, I use the
with
felt
the
just
sticky
because.
foam?
Yeah, for
Okay.
the clothing, yes, yeah.
Beautiful.
And you could utilize the foam, you know, the adhesive foam
Oh.
for the clothing.
I suppose you're right.
Sure, because I just had some extra red lying around,
Okay.
so I just did that to save on the red, you know, so you guys utilize that, you know, with these kind of pre-cut pieces. You know, again, these are really expensive at Walmart in their sort of craft section. Yes, and it's neat, and there are larger pieces you can work with if you need that. You know, and they have larger pieces of foam, you know, that are adhesive or with the peel back sort of back side. You know, and so yeah, these were actually less expensive than the smaller ones, but you get more colors with the smaller
Oh,
ones.
gotcha.
So that's
Okay.
why I got
Options.
both. And it was just much quicker, you know, to cut like the face
Yes.
you know, out because it was already, you know, pretty much cut to size, which
Well,
was really nice.
You guys know the drill by now. We are going to head into a commercial break while Sophia and I keep working on our puppets, but keep it right here because we'll be back with more This Is How You Make It.